Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that promises a close and comfortable shave for men, the Braun Electric Razor Series 9 Pro 9460cc. It's designed for both wet and dry use, and it includes a ProLift beard trimmer for grooming and a 5-in-1 SmartCare Center for easy maintenance. But does it really live up to its claims? Let's find out. The Braun Series 9 Pro 9460cc is a top-of-the-line electric razor that combines efficiency with gentleness. Equipped with the ProLift trimmer, it's made to lift and cut even the most stubborn or tricky facial hair, whether it's a 1, 3, or 7-day beard. This razor is marketed as not only efficient, but also incredibly gentle, thanks to its sonic technology, which helps it shave up to 10% faster compared to previous Braun models. One of the standout features of this razor is its 5-in-1 SmartCare Center. This clever device automatically cleans, charges, lubricates, and dries the razor, ensuring it's always ready for use and stays in top condition. As you'd expect from a high-end product, the Series 9 Pro is 100% waterproof, making it ideal for use in the shower, with foam, or even under gel. Now let's talk about my personal experience using this razor. The first thing I noticed was how smooth the shaving process was. The ProLift trimmer really does its job, lifting even those tricky hairs that can be tough to shave with other razors. It feels comfortable on the skin, with no irritation or nicks, which is a big plus for anyone with sensitive skin or a dense beard. In terms of performance, the Braun Series 9 Pro exceeded expectations. Whether I used it dry or with shaving cream, the razor glided smoothly across my skin. The sonic technology definitely made a difference. I noticed that my shave was faster without sacrificing closeness. The ProLift trimmer is particularly helpful for trimming around the beard and sideburns, delivering precise results without much effort. As for the 5-in-1 SmartCare Center, it's a game changer. Cleaning and maintaining the razor becomes an effortless task. Just place it in the station, press a button, and it's cleaned and ready for the next use. This adds an extra layer of convenience, especially for busy individuals who want to keep their grooming routine as seamless as possible. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: efficient and gentle. The ProLift trimmer and sonic technology work together to shave faster while being gentle on the skin. 5-in-1 SmartCare Center. It takes care of cleaning, charging, and maintaining the razor, keeping it in top condition. Versatile use. Fully waterproof, so you can use it with foam, gel, or in the shower. Precision trimming. Great for detailed grooming around the beard and sideburns. Durability, made in Germany and built to last up to 7 years. Cons: price. At the higher end of the market, it may not be the most budget-friendly option. Size. The razor is slightly bulky, which may be less ideal for those looking for a more compact design. Cleaning station. While it's convenient, the 5-in-1 SmartCare Center requires space and may not appeal to everyone. Now, let's talk about the value for money. The Braun Series 9 Pro 9460cc is certainly an investment, but given the quality of the razor, its long-term durability, and the convenience of the SmartCare Center, the price is justified for those who prioritize performance and ease of use. If you're looking for a high-end razor that's built to last, this product ticks a lot of boxes. In terms of alternatives, there are definitely more affordable options on the market. If you're looking for something budget-friendly but still high quality, brands like Philips or Panasonic offer excellent electric razors that may lack some of the advanced features of the Braun Series 9 Pro, but still provide a close shave and solid performance. When it comes to build quality, the Braun Series 9 Pro feels solid and premium. The materials used are sturdy, and the razor is comfortable to hold. As for longevity, Braun claims it's designed to last up to 7 years, which is impressive for a razor in this price range. Given its build and performance, I would expect it to hold up well over time. Regarding customer support, Braun has a solid reputation for responsive and helpful service, though I haven't personally needed to contact them for any issues with this product. That said, it's always reassuring to know that if something were to go wrong, the brand has a strong customer service team in place. To wrap up, the Braun Electric Razor Series 9 Pro 9460cc is an impressive tool for men looking for a high-performance, comfortable, and durable razor. The unique ProLift trimmer, sonic technology, and 5-in-1 SmartCare Center make it stand out in a competitive market. It's perfect for those who want a precision shave with minimal effort and hassle. However, it may not be the best fit for those on a budget or those seeking a more compact design. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the description or comments for the link to purchase this razor. If you've tried the Braun Series 9 Pro, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.